Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create your custom respond with text templates on your iPhone running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So creating custom respond text templates allow you to quickly respond to a call which you cannot pick up. iPhone has their own set of templates, but if you don't like those, you can set your own replies. You can do this by going into settings, then tap on phone, now if you look down the list, you'll see respond with text. Tap on it. Here you can enter in 3 of your own custom replies. You don't need to complete all of them. However, the maximum you can type in is 3 replies. iPhone have shown you some suggestions, but you can enter in your own. Now make sure to go back in order to save your replies. Now once someone calls you, you can tap on the caller, then tap on the message. Here you'll be shown all the respond to text replies which you have filled in. If you found this video helpful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.